As a GST registered person, you are required to collect GST on goods and services provided to your consumers and remit GST payable to the government of Anguilla by way of the Inland Revenue Department. It is important to note that only GST registered businesses can charge GST and reclaim input tax credits. You must declare your total output tax and input tax on your monthly GST return. All sales and purchases must be declared in the tax period or the month in which they occur. Your input tax is offset against your output tax. If your output tax exceeds your input tax, the difference is what you remit to the Comptroller, Inland Revenue. If the input tax exceeds the output tax, an excess credit results, which is carried forward to 3 consecutive periods, and if remaining excess credit exceeds 1,000 EC dollars, the taxable person may apply for a refund. For example, if by the end of the tax period you sold goods and collected the GST output tax totaling $1,000, however, in conducting your business, you imported or bought goods from another GST registered person and paid a total of $800 GST input tax, then $1,000 minus $800 would be $200, which is payable to the Inland Revenue Department on or before the filing due date. On the other hand, if your output tax was $800 and your input tax was $1,000, the result would be negative $200. This excess credit would be carried over to 3 consecutive periods. Note, you must file your GST return on or before the 20th of the following month or the next working day if the 20th falls on a weekend or public holiday. See tax calendar on IRD's website for due dates. You are required to file a nil return if you had no transaction in a given month. What's next? See our videos on calculating GST and setting up point of sales for tax calculations.